And welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. You ever have holes like this in the center of your crochet projects? Maybe a top of a hat, maybe amigurumi, or anything that goes in a round circle just like so. Some patterns it's okay, but some things like on the top of a hat, it's not really that cool. So you can eliminate that by getting rid of that. So how you got that is like you chained 4, you created the ring, and then you went around it. The problem is that when you chain that 4, that first chaining kind of creates the circumference where everything goes around. You can eliminate that by using magic circles, and this is a magic circle here which I'll show how to use. This yarn here is going to the yarn ball. Okay, so your hook would be up here, and once you get all of the stitches on board, all you have to do is just take this other string that's hanging out, and I'll show you how to do that, and we'll just have to pull it shut, and it brings that whole center into an absolute close, just like that, and then you can slip stitch it as normal, and voila, you have like the perfect centerpiece for your hat or project, whatever you're working on. So in today's tutorials, we're going to be doing magic circles. We're going to be doing a single crochet magic circle today. So if you have to start off your ring in the center as a single crochet, this is how you do it. This is one of the very few tutorials where I will slow it down to slow motion after I show you the concept, because I think you just require it. Now normally what I would have you do is that I have you do the slip knotting when I show the tutorials, just like so, bottom over top, to create your first loop just like so. So the reason why I'm showing you that is that I've been teaching how to do that for almost 5 years. In this concept, instead of going up like this with your straggler over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to come in from behind and bring the straggler in front of your hand just like this. Now look at the top of my finger. So I'm just going to kind of clamp everything into position over here, and I'm going to take this over my finger and I'm going to cross it over the top just like that. Now with your crochet hook, you're just going to sink underneath the first one like that, and you want to grab the yarn that is leading to the yarn ball, which is coming from behind just like that, and I want to grab the yarn that's coming from the one in behind, and I just want to pull it through just like that, and that is beginning. So now I can just take this safely off. Okay, so the straggler's going toward the left here because I'm right-handed, and all I can just do now is that I can single crochet around the ring. So we're just going to go into the beginning of the ring, or center of the ring, just like that, and single crochet yourselves around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you just want to keep that straggler on top. You don't want to get it tangled in. You don't want to grab any fibers or plies from it, because you want to be able to pull it shut. When you're done, you're going to have your straggler going off, and all you're just going to simply do is just hold it just like this and just pull, and it will pull it completely shut just like that, and then you can slip stitch it to fasten it off to make the center of your ring just absolutely perfect, and you can safely cut that straggler that you pulled when you did your magic circle after that. So let me show you the slow motion version.